Do you ever feel like your balance just isn't what it used to be? You're not alone. It often starts subtly, holding onto walls when getting dressed, hesitating when stepping off a curb, or feeling a bit unsteady on uneven ground. Before you know it, what once was a minor inconvenience becomes a major concern. But here's the thing, losing balance doesn't just happen overnight. In most cases, it fades away because of some very preventable mistakes. The good news? Once you identify these common missteps, you can take action to regain your stability, confidence, and freedom. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 most common mistakes that quietly steal your balance as you age. Each one might seem small, but together they can rob you of your ability to move with confidence. Stick around, because we're not just pointing out what's going wrong, we're showing you how to fix it, starting today. Let's jump in. Mistake number 1, ignoring foot and ankle strength. Most people think balance issues start in the brain or hips, but in reality, it often begins much lower, in your feet and ankles. Think about it. Your ankles are your first line of defense when you lose your footing. They adjust your posture, absorb shock, and signal to your brain to keep you steady. But as we age, we tend to ignore this area. Years of wearing supportive shoes, avoiding barefoot movement, and walking on flat surfaces can lead to stiff, weak ankles. Take Frank, for example. At 75, he felt like his feet just couldn't react as quickly anymore. After just a couple of weeks doing simple exercises like foot circles, towel scrunches, and calf raises, his balance noticeably improved. Want to test yourself? Try standing barefoot and rising up on your toes. How steady are you? Now, stand on one foot. Does your ankle feel strong and responsive? If not, it's time to start paying more attention to this area. Here's what you can do. Walk barefoot on safe surfaces. Stretch your calves and feet daily. Practice slow, controlled movements that engage your ankles. Your feet and ankles are the foundation of your balance. Strengthen them, and you'll feel more grounded, steady, and confident. Mistake number 2, avoiding balance exercises. The second mistake, completely avoiding balance training. Think about it. Balance is a skill, just like riding a bike or driving a car. If you don't practice it, you lose it. The older we get, the more cautious we become. We walk slower, avoid unstable surfaces, and try not to twist or turn too quickly. But by playing it safe, we're actually doing more harm than good. Over time, our balance gets worse simply because we're not challenging it. Take Mary, 72. She thought she was being smart by always moving carefully. But when we tried a few basic balance drills, like standing with her feet close together or walking heel to toe, she realized just how much stability she'd lost. "I thought I was playing it safe," she said, "but I was really losing my confidence." The solution? Start with simple, low-risk exercises. Stand on one foot while brushing your teeth. Walk in a straight line, heel to toe. Try gentle Tai Chi or yoga moves. Challenge your balance a little each day. It doesn't have to be intense, just consistent. Mistake number 3, wearing the wrong footwear at home. The third mistake, wearing improper or unstable footwear around the house. Whether it's thin, slippery socks or old, unsupportive slippers, what you wear indoors matters more than you think. Meet Bill, 80. He loved shuffling around in his worn-out slippers until the night he nearly slipped and fell on his hardwood floor. Turns out, his old slippers had no grip and were stretched out, making them a hazard. To stay safe, opt for non-slip socks or supportive house shoes. Avoid going barefoot on slick surfaces. Make sure your footwear fits snugly and provides good arch support. Your feet are your base. Keep them grounded with proper footwear, and you'll feel more stable walking around your home. Mistake number 4, over-reliance on furniture or walls. Another common mistake, relying too much on furniture or walls for support. It might feel safer in the moment, but in the long run, it weakens your body's natural ability to balance itself. Meet Sandy, 77. She got into the habit of holding onto walls and counters to steady herself. But over time, her legs and core got weaker, making her even more dependent on external support. The fix? Start small. Take a few steps without holding on to anything. Practice standing up from a chair without using your hands. Work on core strengthening exercises to build up your stability. Every step you take without external support tells your brain and body, I can do this on my own. And the more you practice, the stronger and more independent you become. Mistake number 5, ignoring vision and inner ear health. Finally, let's talk about the two often overlooked components of balance, vision and inner ear health. Your eyes help your brain gauge distance, and your inner ear helps maintain your sense of equilibrium. Take Sam, 78. He started feeling more unsteady, especially on uneven surfaces. He thought it was just age until his eye doctor discovered a change in his vision prescription. Once he got new glasses, his balance improved dramatically. Your action steps: get regular eye exams. Check for any signs of hearing loss. Consult a specialist if you experience dizziness or vertigo. A clear vision and a healthy inner ear are crucial for maintaining balance. Don't overlook them. So there you have it, 5 common mistakes that can quietly steal your balance as you age. But the good news? Each of these can be corrected with just a few simple steps. Strengthen your feet and ankles. Make balance training a daily habit. Wear supportive footwear. Move without relying on walls or furniture. Keep your vision and inner ear health in check. These small changes can make a big difference in how steady, confident, and independent you feel each day. So don't wait for a fall to wake you up. Take action now. Your balance is your foundation, and with just a bit of attention, you can keep it strong for years to come. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a little balance boost. Stay steady, stay strong, and we'll see you in the next one.